Stocking the freezer for postpartum, part 1. Today's theme is breakfast because that's a top priority. These ingredients are for healthy breakfast burritos, and these are for bacon breakfast burritos, both delicious. Since these recipes are really similar, to maximize efficiency, I make both at the same time. It gets a little chaotic, but it does save you time and it goes quick. The most time-consuming part of the burritos is the wrapping, but that's a really easy step too. I recommend a burrito assembly line, and I watched a Chipotle burrito wrapping tutorial for the best way to wrap. Add aluminum foil around each burrito, and then to store these in the freezer, label a gallon-size Ziploc, and then slide all the burritos in. Look how perfectly they fit in here. It is very satisfying. I use my own mouth as a vacuum sealer to get all the extra air and moisture out of the bag before sealing. Look at all these burritos. That is 16 breakfasts ready to go. And now onto the smoothie bags. Smoothies are a great way to pack in a ton of nutrients, so I love having these ready because you just add liquid whenever you want to enjoy. Again, I recommend a smoothie assembly line, and I just made as many as I could with the ingredients I had, which is another 8 breakfasts. So stoked. And then because we're starting from scratch over here, I clean out the freezer before adding everything in. We've got the burritos, we've got the smoothies. Y'all, I just made 24 breakfasts and there's still so much room in the freezer. Follow along to see what is prepped next.